I'm going to weld on some cab corners. Let's get to it. Alright, the 1976 Ford F150 is seaworthy. We got her done. I'm going to weld some cab corners on real quick. You can watch that. Do some fine tuning, you know, brake lights working, and I got things working. Vacuumed all the mice nests out, you know, stuff like that. We got the truck seaworthy. We did a lot of work to this truck. Gas tank, fuel line, brakes, complete brake system. Reupholstered the seat. Redid the intake, carb, you know, just did a lot of work to this truck. Phase 1, okay, we didn't do the body work yet. We got some of the exterior metal work done that was really a necessity. I got the cab mounts, brand new cab mounts welded in. So, truck's done for now. Okay, we're gonna do body work in the spring. I got the charger here we're working on now. We're gonna fire this 383 up. Got the starter back in. It's turning over. Got no spark, etc. We're gonna get the charger rolling. There's a lot of things coming up.
Increase speed to warp 4.
Aye, sir.
We're gonna fill this, grind this, fill this, and then that's all you're gonna see, really. Alright, that was just a quick little video. Welded up some cab corners, got this truck. I took it out for a ride. It's running better, it's shifting. I got the vacuum lines hooked up. I got the kick down linkage hooked up. We gotta go get some gas in it. Okay, we're gonna get this thing on the road, take it for some rides, and break this thing in. And there's more to do on the truck, but for now, the truck's done till spring. We're gonna come back and do some body work on it later. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out my gear on the gear page, on my Shopify page. And I will see you again on the next one. Thanks.